You have probably heard people on TV talk about the web, read about it in newspapers and so on. And you have probably also seen a lot of cryptic little notations in everything from news programs to cereal boxes telling you how to look up information on the internet. What all these things are talking about is the World Wide Web. The World Wide Web basically lets everyone on the internet, including you by the way, publish text, pictures, and even sound and video to everyone else on the internet. The program that you use to look at information published there is called a web browser. The web browser that Total Access has installed on your computer is called Internet Explorer, and in the next minute or two, I will be explaining how to use it to look up information on the World Wide Web. Internet Explorer is a program that retrieves web pages from the internet and displays them on your screen. Let's look at what's here. This is the Universal Resource Locator, or URL for short. It is a name that you can use to specify exactly what page you want to look at. If you want, you can just type in a URL here of any of the millions of pages on the internet. Do that and hit the return key and you'll see that page. For example, remember that cereal box from before? Just type that in and hit return and there's the page. Of course, that's a lot of work just to see a page, so there are easier ways to do it. One way is to use links embedded into an existing page. Check out this page, for example. Those highlighted words are links to other pages. If you click any of them, you'll go to a new page that the author of this page thought would be interesting. For example, if you want to know more about this, click it and you'll automatically go to another page. When people talk about surfing the net, they usually mean moving from page to page, following interesting links as they go. It's a lot of fun to read that way. Of course, if you surf to somewhere that isn't as exciting as you thought it might be, you can click the back button and return to the previous page you were on. The best place of all to start surfing is your Earthlink Personal Start page. From here, you will see a set of links updated according to your own personal interests. You can see news reports, sports scores, stock information, cool websites, information about your Earthlink account, and lots of other goodies. Don't worry if you don't know where everything on the World Wide Web is and how it all works. There are millions of pages on the net, and millions more appearing all the time. You can think of it as the biggest and most fantastic library ever created. You don't have to know where all the books are to find something interesting to read. Indulge your curiosity and plunge in. You'll learn something new every time you do.